Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to today's video training today. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover for your Facebook profile. Something branding, something that stands out, something that's you. So we're going to go ahead and dive into this in about a few minutes. But if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button. You know that red subscribe button? And don't forget that bell notification because I don't want you to miss a beat when we go do videos just like this. I do videos every single day and I want you to be notified when I do videos just like this. Now you know what time it is, and it's time to dive into the training. It's time to go ahead, let's go ahead and create a Facebook cover, how to create a Facebook cover using Pixteller, using a beautiful program called Pixteller. Now right now we're at pixtellers.com, and if you have not signed up for a membership of Pixteller, right below this video, I do have a link for you to go ahead and sign up for Pixteller. You can go ahead and start designing beautiful images that like we're about to go ahead and do in a few minutes. Now Pixteller is something that I've been using. I've got trained on it. It's really easy to use. That's why I love using it. And what I like about it, it has templates and everything for you to follow. So right now we're gonna go ahead and do the Facebook cover like we were talking about. We're gonna create the Facebook cover step by step. The first thing you want to do is pixtellers.com, and as you see here, you can see here that when you hyperlink, we actually just click on here, you see the specs, everything for it already. So the social media image, if you wanted to try to do that, you have the specs in there, and also would have like different pictures for you to follow. But right now we're going to do a Facebook cover photo. We're going to scroll all the way down. Look at all these things. You got Facebook posts, Instagram posts, you got marketing logos, cards. We're just going to follow and just concentrate on here, Facebook cover right here. Maybe in another video, we'll go ahead and do Twitter and other videos like that. So we're just going to stay right here, Facebook cover photo. As you see here, you see the specs right here. So they already have it already set up. So you don't even have to really go ahead and try to learn and put all the numbers in. It's already there for you right there. The next page here, you see all the templates of the covers and the headers and things like that. You can have your own picture if you want to, or you can go ahead and use the design templates that the system already has for you. So we're going to go ahead and just choose one of them right here. So we're going to choose this one right here. So we're going to choose that one right there, and then voila, it's getting created, and there you go. I'm going to move my picture here just above here. That way you can I can show it here. So here, let me move it just a little bit higher. So right here, we're at the cover photo. As you can see, here's the specs right here with the width and the height, and even have the background color. So we could change that. So the first thing we can do, let's go ahead and find an image first. So you go ahead and you click on here. Now, if you have your image already, you can go to image here, add image, and then you can upload the image as your choice. If you already have like a background image already, you can go ahead and upload it here, and you'll click on upload images. But here we're going to go ahead and see what the system has. Let's see what Pixteller templates, see if they have a picture there that I really like. So let's go ahead and click on here. We're going to go images, see here, add image, and we're going to go ahead and search for one. So let's search for an image. Let's say we're looking for something beachy. Like everybody likes the beach, right? So let's do something beach. So click on beach. If you're looking for a background, this is kind of like your background image. So let's look for something beachy. So let's go down here. This is some of the templates. This is some of the templates you'll get as well when you go ahead and sign up with Pixteller. It's really good program. So I'm just going to choose one. Let's just choose this one right here. All right, let's choose this one. Let's see what it looks like. And what you do is when I clicked on there, what you do is you want to go ahead. This is a box right here. You want to go ahead. And remember, this is the background color. It's going to be light blue. We can change that if we'd like to. We're going to just leave it blue. So we don't want a background image. You can do this. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to make sure it covers the entire image. Through here, so I want to use this as a background. Okay. Check that. Bam. All right, so I'm going to use that. Actually, you know what? I'm going to change it. I'm going to use something else because I want a little bit of a dirt and replace it. Okay, so I replaced the image. So the image being replaced. So the image being replaced. Now you're wondering, where did everything go? Where did the lady go? Where did the, that blue stripe go? What you do is you click here and you go click here and you can set as background and everything appears. You see that? Everything just kind of appears right there. Set as background. All I did is click here, scroll down to set as background, right? Okay, so the next thing you probably want to do, let's say you want to put you in there. Let's say you want to put your image in there already. So you can go ahead and delete that. And I'm going to go back to image. Now I've already have an image already set for me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that exactly where I was able to get that. So add image, that's text, image, add image. Now I'm going to go ahead and upload an image to go right through here. So first, let me go ahead and delete that text. Image, add image, upload an image. Let's go ahead and uploading here. And we're just going to grab an image that I've already done before. An example. I'll show you. Let's see here. You know what? Let's just do this one. This is one I did earlier. So just grab that image there. So right here, what I do, I'll press this here to go ahead and add it. When I add it here, there you go. So it's already added, and you can go ahead and drag it. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag that image. And let me move this up a little bit. I'm gonna move this bar. I'm gonna move this bar here. So all you do is like it, and you can just drag that up. Try to drag this bar. Okay, I'm gonna drag this bar just a little higher, and then I'm just gonna move this here, and I'm just gonna make myself bigger. Just bigger. It's kind of like you play around with it a little bit. It's kind of like more of a design. So you just kind of play around with it, and I'm gonna put this here back here. I'm gonna erase. I'm just deleting this information here. That's all I'm doing. And let's see, I'm gonna make this bigger. Place here. There, right there. Okay. And then let's see, let me move the bar. Take this out here. Just deleting that. So basically all I'm doing is moving the bar up a little bit. I'm just moving it a little bit higher, and then just moving this here. So wow, so okay. So this is not too bad. Remember, this is kind of like a basic one we're doing, just kind of playing around with it. So now I got a picture here. I have a picture, and so I have a picture of myself here, and I have the beast background, and I have everything like that. And let me show you real fast of how I was able just to get my picture like there. There's a website called remove.bg. So let's go to that. Let me show you that real fast. Remove.bg. I'm gonna go there. This is how I was able to get that image, and it's basically just me and nothing, removing the background part of an image of my face. Go to remove.bg, upload image, and we're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you exactly how I was able to do this. So let's say I was trying to remove this picture there, right? You see that? You see that's already background, and then you just download it. So it automatically removes the background, and you just download it and you just keep it right here. Let's say when I click there, I just want to show you this because this is very, very important when you go ahead and setting an image, your own image inside Pixteller. You want to remove the background of yourself or any other object you want to move behind. You want to make sure that's there as well. You can go ahead and it's loading in right now. Well, it's a little slower, but I definitely want to go ahead and show you this. It's loading in right now. But while that's loading, I'll just go back to Pixteller while that's loading. I think it's still loading up right now. So let me go back here. Pixteller. So the next thing you want to do, let's say I want to put a tagline, like a tagline about what I'm representing on Facebook. I want to brand myself because I already got my face here. Let me move my picture back up here. I already got my face here. So now what you want to do, you want to write your tagline, but write your tagline pretty much in your notepad and Word, because you want to go ahead and copy and just paste it in this box here. So right here, I've already written it already. So I'm going to just show you here. I'm just going to copy here, and I'm going to go ahead and paste it here. An image. Okay, not sure what happened there. So let me go ahead and take this, and voila, there is my tag. And that's the picture I was showing you earlier. See, you see I removed the background and everything. I moved the background and everything. That looks pretty good, right? So then you have the tags, and then there you go. That's how you recreate it. Let me go ahead, and then you can make it bigger by with that here, setting so. That's too big right there. And then you kind of drag this over just a little bit to make sure it fits. And there you go. That's it. You can make this a little bit smaller if you like to. And there it is. Check that out. How you make a Facebook cover photo. Now you can add other things like a logo, which basically all you do is add an image here, add an image. You can add a logo there as well. Let's say if you have your own branded logo. So I can go to logos here, and well, like a monogram. Let's say I was trying to add a logo. You can add that logo right into here if you want to. You can add your website as well. So if I want to add a logo, you could put it here, or you can just actually make it small enough. You can put it right here as well. You just put it over there for now. This is like an example. You can put it there. You can put it on here. So this is basically an example how you create a Facebook cover photo. And the next thing you want to do is you want to save it right there. There's a saved image right there. So you want to go ahead and save it there. And once you save it, you can go ahead and upload it on your Facebook cover as soon as humanly possible. So if you haven't signed up for Pixteller already, click on the link below this video here to get signed up for Pixteller. For you go ahead and start building beautiful images as well. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for this channel and this video, because I really wanted to show you this because people have been asking me how do I create these Facebook covers. So I want to do a video to show you how to do it. So click on the link below for the Pixteller to get signed up for them. And I'll see you on the inside, and I'll see you in the next video because I can't wait to do another one to show you how to grow your business. I'll see you later.